Easy to use. The Zebco 404 Spincast reel and rod combo has been a mainstay with anglers for years. The combo features a 5-foot 6-inch 2-piece fishing pole, size 40 reel and a 28-piece tackle kit. You will be ready to hit the water with the patented no-tangle design and simple push-button mechanics for ease of use, making this reel great for both beginners and experienced anglers. 2 8PIECE Tackle Kit. The tackle kit comes as a complete set, ensuring you are ready to go catch your prize fish right away, and includes 6 fishing hooks, 3 split-shot sinkers, 4 swivels, 2 swimbaits, 6 curly tail grubs, 5 jig heads, 2 bobbers. Built-in bite alert. You will be amazed by the built-in bite alert, designed to alert anglers of activity below the water. Bite alert is a mechanical system that disengages the anti-reverse of the reel and engages a clicker to create a sound when line is being taken out, so you will not be mistaken when your next trophy is on the line. Tough yet sleek. Utilize the convenient dial-adjustable drag and the quick-set anti-reverse features to stop your handle from moving backward and create a solid hook set in the mouth of a fish when reeling in your prize catch. Featuring a tough yet sleek design, the 404 Spincast reel will look and perform great. Trusted. Since 1949, Zebco has been inviting people to explore the outdoors. Zebco products are warranted for a period of 1 year from date of original retail purchase against defects in workmanship and/or materials. Top reviews from the United States. Great product. Great price. I purchased this for my husband for Christmas. He has stage 4 lung cancer and was afraid he would never be able to go fishing again. Well, I have now taken him, for very short trips, to the pond close to our property, and it has meant the world to him. Gives him a reason to fight. Super easy to use. Highly recommend this product.